Josephine Scriver serves a model of duty look in retro chunky sneakers in Los Angeles. Josephine Scriver served up a major model of duty look while out shopping at Allegiance on August 5 in Los Angeles. In a trendy white ultra casual style, the Danish model spotted a pair of black and silver chunky sneakers. The silhouette encompassed of mesh and leather appears in black with metallic accents that modernized the silhouette. Black lace-up closures and non-slip rubber soles rounded out the set, offering durability and ease of wear. These days, chunky sneaker silhouettes have regained supreme, inspired by retro styles from the 90s and 2000s. The oversized nature lends a casual touch to the classic sneakers, making it look effortlessly cool. Many footwear brands, both high-end and affordable, have adopted the oversized sneaker trend, including Balenciaga, Stella McCartney, Adidas, Nike, Asics, Salomon, Puma, and Dior, just to name a few. Josephine Scriver's pair is most comparable to silhouettes from New Balance, Balenciaga, and Roberto Cavalli. As we move into the future, many fashionable folks are looking into the past, opting for shoe silhouette inspired by trends gone by. The trend cycle is cyclical after all. A classic combo, the former Victoria's Secret Angel wore baggy light wash jeans accompanied by a plain white crop tank top. Josephine Scriver's denim was belted, further defining her silhouette. As for accessories, the runway regular sported dainty silver jewelry accompanied by a slouchy black leather shoulder bag and matching black sunglasses. Is the model first burst out onto the fashion scene in 2011. In 2016, Josephine Scriver was officially named a Victoria's Secret Angel, making her the first Danish angel since Helena Christensen, and since then the model's life has been a whirlwind. Josephine Scriver's modeling repertoire has included the likes of Calvin Klein, Rag and Bone, Gucci, Dolce and Gabbana, Givenchy, Vess, Saint Laurent, Valentino, Alexander McQueen, Balenciaga, DKNY, and Christian Dior. Not just a model, Josephine Scriver is the mom of one and an ambassador for the Family Equality Council to promote inclusivity and diversity. Thank you for watching Showbiz International News. Please subscribe Showbiz International News for updating news and more information.